Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable and disable your Do Not Disturb mode on the Xiaomi Pad 6. So in order to do that, let's open up Quick Settings panel, simply swipe down from the screen and find your Do Not Disturb mode. It should be anywhere around here. Here it is, DND. So sometimes you can't locate it. It can be anywhere else on this menu, but it still will be there. Do not worry about that. So let's open up our Do Not Disturb settings. So to do that, simply hold on this icon, and now we've got our sound menu. So let's find our Do Not Disturb right here, tap here, and you can adjust it. So first of all, let's turn it on, simply tap on it. Now it's on. So there are settings for when the device is locked. Right here, let's turn it on again. The function will only work when the screen is off. So also we can schedule, so we can choose the days right here, press schedule, turn on time, press add rules, and here you can schedule when you want to turn on and off your DND mode automatically. So for example, it shall start at 11 p.m. and end at 6 a.m. Press OK. Choose when to repeat it every day, or simply, for example, let it be from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Press OK. You can give your rules a name. So, for example, let's name it work. All right, press OK. When you're satisfied with everything, press on this tick at the top right corner, and it will be added. To turn it off, tap on the switch. It will be turned off. Just the same with your Do Not Disturb mode. Tap the switch from here, or open up your quick settings menu, find this icon and press on it as well. Now it will be off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.